The modern world is a cacophony of digital noise. We are bombarded with information, notifications, and demands on our attention. It's easy to feel lost, overwhelmed, and unsure of how to navigate the complexities of life. Like many others, I found myself yearning for direction, a sense of purpose amidst the chaos. That's when I stumbled upon the concept of an AI life coach. Intrigued and more than a little skeptical, I decided to take the plunge. I downloaded an app, answered a series of questions about my goals, values, and aspirations, and waited for the algorithm to work its magic. I was promised personalized guidance, stress management techniques, and a clear path toward self-improvement. Could a few lines of code really provide the answers I was seeking? The initial interactions were, admittedly, a bit strange. There was a period of adjustment as I acclimated to receiving advice from an artificial intelligence. Yet, as the days turned into weeks, I found myself growing increasingly reliant on my digital guru. The AI's ability to analyze my habits, track my progress, and offer tailored suggestions was undeniably impressive. I began to notice subtle shifts in my behavior. I was more mindful of my time, more disciplined in my approach to work, and more intentional in my interactions with others. The AI's gentle reminders and encouraging nudges helped me stay focused on my goals, even when distractions beckoned. Could this be the beginning of a beautiful, albeit unconventional friendship? One of the most striking aspects of the AI life coach was its ability to provide personalized guidance. Unlike generic self-help books or one-size-fits-all advice, this felt tailored specifically to me, my personality, and my aspirations. The AI analyzed my responses to its questions, learned from my daily interactions, and adjusted its recommendations accordingly. Stress management became a key focus of our sessions. The AI taught me breathing exercises, mindfulness techniques, and strategies for reframing negative thoughts. It even encouraged me to schedule regular breaks throughout the day, reminding me that rest is just as crucial as work when it comes to achieving peak performance. Goal setting took on a new level of specificity and accountability. The AI helped me break down large, daunting objectives into smaller, more manageable steps. It provided me with daily and weekly targets, creating a sense of momentum and progress that kept me motivated. No longer were my aspirations vague desires. They were concrete plans with actionable steps. Perhaps the most transformative aspect of the AI Life Coach was its habit tracking feature. By diligently logging my daily activities, from exercise and sleep to work and leisure, I gained valuable insights into my patterns and routines. The AI used this data to identify areas for improvement, gently nudging me